When working with heavy equipment, always be certain that all safety rules and guidelines are followed in order to protect you and anyone else in the area. Do not permit anyone to stand alongside trench being excavated. Check all component hinge pins and their securing devices often. Be sure outriggers are properly extended before starting operations. Observe extreme caution when operating under low overhead obstructions. Observe extreme caution when excavating where there may be underground wires and pipes. Always use warning signs and proper control procedures when working on roads or streets. Never perform service or repairs on equipment that has not been properly blocked and secured. Travel at safe operating speed. When mounting or dismounting the equipment or trucks, always use the three-point method. When operating or working around heavy equipment, always be sure to wear the following: hard hat, protective goggles, gloves. These safety rules and personal protection equipment are in place to protect you and the people you work with. Please be sure to follow them at all times. Carry a straight line while excavating a ditch and loading a haul truck. In this job sheet, we will cover two basic operations of the backhoe. In this program, you will learn how to follow a marked course and move the backhoe using the backhoe attachment, and, as the backhoe operator, how to coordinate the procedure with the driver of the haul truck. You will use this procedure in civil, commercial, and residential projects. The tools and equipment that you will need to complete this task are backhoe, haul truck. Let's now go through the steps you will need to follow to complete this task. Position the backhoe in a straight line with the marked lines of the proposed ditch. Lines are usually marked with lime. Position the truck so that it will be loaded over the side. Always swing the load from the tailgate to the front of the bed, never over the cab. Lower the stabilizers until the wheels are off the ground. Lower the loader bucket to the ground to provide a front stabilizer. Engage the bucket arm control to move the bucket to the 530 position. Engage the bucket control to position the cutting edge at about a 30-degree angle to the ground. Move the boom control to lower the bucket to the ground. Load the bucket quickly and easily with thin slices. Pull the bucket arm control in, and as the bucket enters the material, manipulate the bucket cylinder control so that the cutting edge is working parallel to the ground. Forcing the equipment reduces efficiency and durability. Raise or lower the boom control slightly if the bucket arm slows or stops filling the bucket. Pick up the bucket as soon as it is full. Raise the boom control to clear the cut in the side of the truck. Load the truck from the far side to the near side. Swing the bucket to the truck and gradually spill the load out of the bucket to ease the strain of added weight on the truck. Actuate the bucket and bucket arm control levers at the same time for a fast, controlled dump. Swing the bucket back to cut and continue the cycle until the ditch is complete or the truck is loaded. While waiting for the truck, use the time to move the backhoe or to make adjustments, loosen dirt, or clean up the corners of the cut. You have now completed the steps necessary to complete this job sheet. When you have mastered this task, you will be able to do the following: how to follow a marked course and move the backhoe using the backhoe attachment, and, as the backhoe operator, how to coordinate the procedure with the driver of the haul truck. You have now completed the steps necessary for this job sheet. If you have any questions, please speak with your instructor and then review this program in its entirety.